This is 2011 Mazda 3, and it's not blowing hot air. So we discovered the problem already. The problem is this valve right here. It's coming out from this lever here, and when we move the heater controller, should coming that way down. I'm gonna go up, which is hot. Coming down is cold. Up is hot. So this thing was popped out. So I just put it back in there. I should replace it, but it look like I don't know. Maybe we'll give it a chance, and if it happen again, then we're going to replace this part. So that's going to fix the overheating. I mean, not overheating, to blowing hot air in the cabin. So I hope this help.